First, determine where you'd like to position your panel and mark your center line. Next, using your center line as a guide, mark your mounting positions. To determine your on-center dimension, you will need to add 1 3/8 inches to the material thickness. In this case, we are using a 1/4 inch thick plexiglass panel, so with 1 5/8 inches overall center to center, we will measure out half the distance in either direction from our center line at 13/16 of an inch and mark our holes for drilling. Repeat these steps for each bracket setting. After you drill your pilot holes and insert your mounting screws, with your screws set in place, slide your bracket underneath the screw head and then tighten down to secure it in place. Repeat these steps for both sides, then insert your panel between the brackets. There are two types of hardware provided to secure the brackets to your panel. The first option is a pair of set screws that tighten against the panel to hold the bracket in position. The set screws have nylon tips on the end to prevent scratches on your panel surface. The second option is a threaded rod that goes through the entire assembly. There are 3 threaded rods included in different lengths to accommodate different panel thicknesses, at 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 7/8 inch lengths. This option requires drilling through your panel, so first you'll want to set your brackets in place and mark your position on your panel for drilling. Then remove the panel and drill accordingly. Then, using an Allen key, insert your threaded rod and screw all the way through until it threads into the bracket on the other side. You may need a second set of hands to press the bracket on the other side against the glass to have the threading marry up on both ends to continue feeding the threaded rod all the way through. This option provides a more secure hold and will prevent the panel from moving or sliding.